So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I will explain about Pinduoduo, Chinese agriculture e-commerce app, or you can call e-commerce website. So this is the introduction. Pinduoduo is a Chinese-based app. It is a Chinese app. So the pinyin is Pinduoduo. It is the largest agriculture forecast technology platform in China. It has created a platform that contains farmers and distributors with the customers directly through the interactive shopping experience. In 2019, nearly 6 million merchants sold farm products for Pinduoduo. The translated to the some 12 million farmers who supplied their fruits and vegetables to the merchants. In August 2020, Pinduoduo pledged to sell 145 billion worth of farm products annually by 2025. So this is the basic introduction of Pinduoduo, and the name of the CEO of this application, or you can call e-commerce platform website. The name of the CEO is Wechat. He is the founder of this e-commerce platform. So guys, let's jump into that app. So guys, here you can see this is the Pinduoduo app. So I'm opening the app. So guys, here is the app interface. My internet connection is slow guys, that's why it takes time to load the page. So guys, here is the UI interface, user interface. So it is very easy and not so complicated. You can find lots of gadgets, lots of shoes, everything what you want. All things are on place. So guys, you can find bags, shoes, smartwatch, cameras, mobile, hard disks, everything. So here you guys can see all the daily needs products, home appliance, shopping. You can shop many kind of brands, from many kind of brands, and you can find many kind of birds, mobile repairing accessories, ornamental fish, network technology, etc. There are lots of categories on this application. So here is my account. You guys can see there are lots of redeem options. You can redeem points by purchasing some products from Pinduoduo. And Pinduoduo also offers Hongpao, which means red pocket. So the Hongpao means a gift card in English. So if you purchase some products from Pinduoduo, then you can get some Hongpao, which means red pocket. So those red pockets can be redeemed by your main balance, or you can purchase another thing for free if you are eligible for those product criteria. Sorry guys, my English speaking is not good because my mother language is Bengali. That's why I cannot speak properly, but I am trying to speak as much as I can. So guys, you must see my mistakes. So guys, here you can see you can find chargers, you can find latest smartphones. You guys can see this is Samsung Galaxy S21. The price is 8GB and 128GB variant. The price is 6,659 RMB. So if you are interested in this mobile, you can purchase from here. You can pay by Wechat. I'm showing you guys. You have to select, first of all you have to select the color, then you can select the variant. In here this is only the 8GB variant, there is no 12GB variant, so I have to click 8GB variant. And now I am proceeding. This is the proceed button. Now you can pay by Alipay or Wechat. So when I was in China, I often use Wechat to pay those bills and those purchase things. So you can pay by Alipay or Wechat, or you can pay by your MasterCard or bank card. So this is the basic payment interface. So guys, here is a headphone. This is a cheap headphone, but this headphone are mostly expensive in my country, but in China this is only 13.8 RMB. So this is a cheap device in China. You guys can see this is the Poppy airport, maybe airport 4, and you guys can see that the price is only 16.58 RMB. So cheap, guys. So guys, here you can see another mobile phone. This is an interesting thing, guys. I don't know that if you guys heard this before, but this is a multiple connecting device. You can connect multiple smartphones, sort this device and control by mouse and a keyboard. You can control lots of device only using one mouse and one keyboard. This is a helpful device. I'm adding to my wish list because someday I have to use that for any purpose, whatever, guys. As you guys can see, there are lots of headphones here, and this is the review section, guys. Here is the review. Sorry, guys. Here is the review section. You guys can check the reviews before purchasing those goods. So I am showing you the reviews of this headphone. So everyone looks happy because the seller is good and the product quality is very good. So guys, I am opening a photo. So guys, you guys can see this is a good headphone. Lots of people buying this headphone, and the review is very good, 3.8 rating. So I think this seller is very good. So here is another keyboard, guys. This is an interesting keyboard. So here is the reviews. Oh guys, that's so beautiful. I may have to purchase this type of keyboard, but I am now in my home country, so I cannot purchase this keyboard. But if I come back to China, then I will definitely purchase this keyboard because personally I like this keyboard. This is the RGB keyboard. So guys, this is all, guys. So guys, this video is basically for those who are new into China and want to buy their daily needs or daily products from online but didn't know how to buy. So this is I think this video will help you to buy products from Chinese marketing platform or Chinese e-commerce platform, guys. So this video is all for today. I hope I can give you a bit of information. So guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. And guys, again, if you don't subscribe my channel, then I cannot grow and I cannot get a success on YouTube career. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss my any videos. And if you already subscribe my channel, then thank you, guys. So I hope you guys are all in this Canadian situation. Stay home, guys, and wash your hand daily. And guys, take medicine and take rest. So guys, this is all for today. Bye bye everyone.